So today's video, I was going to take a second to go over these fly sticks that are made by BugBane. Now, I've been a big fan of the BugBane products over the years, and I've actually got several different traps out here that I use on her farm, just depending on the situation and where I'm actually needing traps at that moment. So these fly sticks are actually rated for indoor and outdoor use, which makes them extremely versatile. I typically like to use these mainly inside, like shops, houses, garages, things like that, just because the traps, especially where I'm at, where it's always getting windy, these fly traps kind of pick up dust and dirt and grass clippings and everything else as well. But you can use these if you have an environment that stays a little cleaner. You can put these things on your front porch, back porch, in a screened in porch, you name it. This glue will actually last you the whole summer, and you don't have to worry about that really having any issues. Now, if you do decide you want to have a little bit of accelerant in there, these fly sticks actually do pretty well on their own, but this little cup down here is designed where you could put some sugar water or maybe some honey, something sticky like that, just anything that you think is going to attract or that you've had good luck with in the past, you can put down in that cup, and that'll kind of help intensify and bring those flies into these little traps. Now, a little tip or trick that I've learned along the way is a lot of times you have that fly speck, what kind of looks like fly poop essentially, but basically they leave those little trails everywhere they're at, and they like to hang on like strings and cords. If you got like the attic stairs that pop down and you got the string, that thing's always covered in my shop. So wherever you see those flies hanging out or kind of gravitating to the most, I try to find a spot to hang these nearby just to kind of get where they like to land already as it is. Now, I just recently put out one of these little fly sticks about 4 days ago out in one of my garages. I keep chickens out there quite a bit until they're big enough to get on pasture. Naturally, because we live on a farm and I've got the pigs and everything as well, we tend to attract a lot of flies. Now, these little traps for me, like I said, they fill up really fast, but honestly, I don't know that there's a better solution out there. I have tried those fly tapes over time. However, I do feel like these things are a little bit better at attracting, not to mention aesthetically, they look a little nicer hanging up as well. Now, I keep shaking these two things around in my hand. Let me explain to you a couple other uses that you can have other than just hanging them in your shop. So essentially, you can pick these up like this. They come in this box like you see here. But what you see here is I've actually taken the blue cutout part. It's perforated here off this box. So if you did want to set this like on a table somewhere and you're worried about the stickiness kind of falling over and hitting something, this glue is extremely sticky. You can leave this in the box like that, and it gives it a little bit more footprint to sit in place. And if it does fall over, it shouldn't touch the surface that it falls onto. Now, if you take this out of the box as well, you'll see that there's a little hook on here that you can hang that from. The hook's not going to be super durable, but it does a pretty good job. In fact, I hang these on the ropes for garage door openers a lot, and it kind of rides the garage door opener back and forth and does a pretty good job. Now, I mentioned this is sticky. You really don't want to get this on your hands, but I will show you here just for sake of example just how sticky this is. So if I just barely tap that, you can see how sticky that is on my finger. Now, if you really put your hand on this thing, it does take a little bit of effort to get off, but since I just barely tapped it like so, you can see how much that wants to hold on to my finger. But overall, I've been super impressed with these little traps. They're extremely easy to use. They've got a couple different configurations you can put them in, so really you can kind of take your pick and dial in exactly where you need these things at. But other than that, I think that's all I've really got for you in this video. Hope that was somewhat helpful for you guys. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next video.